Sorry, sorry, Ishwar, right? Yeah, Ishwar, you were saying
Yeah.
something? Yeah.
Yeah, for Scratch Mitedu, I already have my own account in Scratch
Very good.
Mitedu.
Very good. So Arush has the Scratch account,
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Ishwar has, and
Yes, ma'am.
Jignesh and Chaitanya, we're
Just
going
I
to
have my
create it.
studio,
Okay.
ma'am. I have my studio. I have my
Ma'am,
studio.
I also have a Scratch.
You also have a Scratch account. Very good. Okay. So no issues. It's just one click. Creating the account is very easy. We will create very soon. So you can create it quickly. Hi, Ishan.
Ma'am, I have my own Gmail account.
Okay. You have a Gmail account. Okay. So you need it for school, right? Yeah. So Ishan, how are you?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you? Long time. So did you enjoy the Scratch course, the previous course? You
Yes,
completed?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today we are going to develop a game. Okay. So I will
Yes,
tell you
ma'am.
all about the course now. Okay. So I'll start sharing my screen. So here we are going to develop games throughout this course. Okay, around 8 to 10 games we are going to develop.
Ma'am, we'll not do robotics.
We will not do robotics in this class, but we will have separate classes for robotics. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is exclusively game development using Scratch. Okay.
Okay.
So you're
Just have
using
opened my Scratch account.
yeah, you can open your Scratch account. Meanwhile, I'll just start sharing my screen. So we all love games and we are going to develop games today. So yeah. So this is the course. So we will be developing around 8 to 10 games here in this course. Very many interesting games. I'm going to show you the demo of those games as well. So the first class would be introduction. Okay, you will explore the Scratch platform. Okay, how the different blocks work. Okay, so yeah, then you will learn how to draw shapes. Okay, different shapes. You will learn about the coordinate plane, right? The X and Y axis coordinates, right? How to move about in the plane to a specific position, right? To the specific point. So, and then we will develop one more game called Let's Party, wherein you will learn about adding graphical effects to your game. Okay, animation. So you will learn to add animation to your games. Fine. And then you will be able to add sound, change the appearance. So you can change costumes, you can change backdrops, things like that. And then there's a shooter game. Okay. I guess everyone would be familiar with this, right? It's a shooting game. As the name suggests, you will add sound effects, graphics. Okay. Randomly, you're going to keep on shooting and then score. And then this is a witch shooter game, which involves, again, cloning sprites, changing costumes, right? It has special effects. I'm going to show you this game now, okay? And who has heard of Flappy Bird game? Who has played Flappy Bird?
Miss, I played it and I also made one of my games. I made one of a Flappy Bird. And
very nice, Ishwar. Good to
Miss
hear.
Flappy Bird is very famous in Scratch, ma'am.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
very famous, ma'am, Flappy Bird.
Yeah. So you know how to create a Flappy Bird game?
Nope.
No, we will learn how to create
I
one.
never tried creating it.
But you
Miss,
enjoy
I
playing the
created
game,
mine,
right?
but the one I created, it's a very little difference from Flappy Bird.
Okay, that is fine. So, so everybody enjoys playing this game, right? The Flappy Bird game. Yeah, it's a difficult game to play. So there's a racing
Miss,
game.
it's not that difficult, ma'am, Flappy Bird.
Not that difficult, but once you start coding, you will understand the difficulties, right? So
Miss, coding is difficult, ma'am. Like
Yeah.
playing is not difficult, but coding and then trying if it's working, that all is difficult.
Yes.
Yeah, that-
Yes.
Like I made my own games in scratch, ma'am. Not
Really?
easy.
नहीं यार क्या है बच्चे हैं
So few of our students actually participated in the Kotulearn contest, Google's Kotulearn contest, and they have made a few exciting games. I will show the video. I'll play the video for you all later. So let's take a look at the demo of these games. Okay, let's take a look at the demo. So this is a witch shooter game. Okay, so here can make it full screen, right? So when I click on flag, see the witch is moving. I need to click using my mouse and the witch is going to shoot in that direction. So if it shoots the apple, then we're going to score. It's really hard. I'm not much of a player, so I'm not scoring actually. If one, see, yeah, I scored a point. Yeah, again, see, so it's changing colors. Yeah, the sprite. So can you see the animation? The witch is moving, the apple is moving up and down, the witch is moving up and
Ma'am,
down.
the
And,
other screen is shared.
oh,
That one is not shared.
oh, it's not shared. Okay,
No,
sorry.
no, it's not.
Sorry.
Just
So
a
can you all see it
second.
now?
We'll just share the screen. Yes, students can.
Yes. Yeah. So students, would you be able to score in this game? It's difficult for me to play though. See, I'm clicking and the arrow is just shooting in that direction and it's hitting the apple. And if I hit the apple, then I'm going to score. See? And now the witch is moving horizontally and she's also kind of moving up and down a little. The apple is moving up and down constantly and the arrow will just shoot at the point where I click. In the direction, it will shoot in the direction in which I click and I'm scoring. Okay, this is one of the games. And I'll show you one more game. I'll start sharing one more screen. Yeah, fine. So can you see the hide and seek game here, which I'm sharing? Go to share this. Yeah.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you all see this hide and seek game which I'm sharing?
yes ma'am
Yeah. So here, so how many like, how many love to play hide and seek? It's my favorite game. Yes. So here, okay. So I'll show you how to play in hide and seek here. I'll say, see this ghost is going to randomly appear and it's playing hide and seek. If we tend to catch that ghost, then we are going to score. Okay. So this is not a very difficult game, but you're going to learn so many programming concepts here in this game. Okay. So I will show you one more game, famous Flappy Bird game. Okay. So let us click on this. Oh, I'm a dead bird very soon. Oh, what is it that I have to press? I just go back and take a look. So when I
space key.
Space key, yeah.
Continuously you have to keep on pressing.
Yeah. Okay. So here I'm going to start playing. See? Oh, see, I need to keep on pressing my space key so that it keeps flying and I will not let it hit any of these obstacles. If it hits any of these obstacles, then the bird is dead, right? The game is over. I scored 8, not bad. So these are the few games. Did you like them, students? Which did you like the most? Which one did you like the most?
Ma'am, I like Flappy Bird.
Okay. Okay.
I like
Chaitanya?
the
Chaitanya? Jignesh?
Ma'am, I like this one, Flapping Bird.
Flappy Bird? Nice. Jignesh?
Yes.
Something.
Okay. So Ishwar, you're on mute. So
Yeah,
Arush?
Miss, the Flappy Bird game is actually really easy.
Uh-huh.
And I like the witch shooter game.
Is it?
And I can also make it a little easier.
Is it? Okay. Nice.
Yeah, you don't need to
Cool.
click on the 100 times. You
Miss
can just
Samir,
press this.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Miss, I prefer the which
You're
game
on
like
mute again. Yes.
you
Yes.
can.
Arush, tell me. Yeah.
Miss, I prefer the which game one. I can program it so you'll have like you will do like you will press the space bar once and then you'll shoot like for an amount of time, then again have to press. So you can continuously get scores.
Correct. We can use several different methods, right, in developing this game.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Fine. So how about we go ahead and start, start developing a game now. Huh? So those who don't have the account, I'll send the link in the chat. I'll paste the link here in the chat. You can create the account. I tell you how to do it.
Just created.
Created already? Okay. So for if anybody is there who has not created, I'm going to share the link. Okay. So yeah. Where is the chat? Yeah. So here is the link. Okay. You just have to enter the username and password. Okay.
Ma'am, so
So
we're creating the
Chaitanya, you
game.
have it already, right? Yes.
Ma'am, so are we going to create the game right now?
Yeah, right now we're going to create a game. Okay.
I don't have the account. I have only Scratch app.
You have only Scratch app. That is totally fine. We will create an account. I have sent a link in chat. You click on that link. Okay. It will open in the browser. I'll tell you how to create the account. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So those who have already created the Scratch account, you can start a new project. Okay. Call it jumping game. Okay. We are going to develop a jumping game. Build a jumping game today.
I have opened my Scratch app in Google Chrome.
Okay. So do we have more members in the group apart from,
Yes, I've named it, ma'am.
yeah, there is one more kid in the group. Can you introduce yourself? Khatib, right? Is this Khatib? Where is Khatib? So Chaitanya, were you able to create the account? Yeah.
No, ma'am. I'm just creating omelette.
Okay. I will start sharing my screen. I'll show you how to create the account. Okay. So you need to paste the link. I'll share my screen first. not able to share the screen. Why? So this is already there, but I don't know why I'm not able to share the screen. You just have to go here. Yeah.
Miss, what do we have to do in the Miss? What do we have to do in the jumping game?
In the jumping game, I'll show you. So let us all start together. Okay. You have created the jumping game, right? So here you need to type in the username and
I have to
password.
choose my
Okay.
bathroom.
Just confirm your password and click on next, and the account will be created. Right, Chaitanya, were you able to create the account? Ma'am, is he able to create the account? Let me know once done. Okay. Jignesh, you already have this account, did you? You're on
I've
mute.
just created, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So you go to file and start a new project. Click on new and name your project as jumping game.
Ma'am, actually my Wi-Fi is slow, ma'am. Once.
Okay. Take your time. So Ishwa, did you create a new project?
Yeah, Miss. I already have an account and I created a new project.
Okay. How about Ishan? Ishan, did you create a new project?
I need to go to create, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. I'll tell you where to go now. Yeah, I'll tell you. So can you see my screen, my Scratch editor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here you see file, right? Here you can, click on this new. And it says creating project. And it starts a new project. So before starting, you're well aware, right? So there are different types of blocks here. They're all color coded. Motion blocks, they help us to move the sprites, right? So this, the center, this area which you see in the center, right? The space, empty space. Into this space, you're going to drag the blocks. You're going to do the programming, coding. So this is the script area. This is called the script area. And on the right hand side, so you will see the output, okay? It is called stage, okay? So whatever characters you're going to add to your game, they're called sprites. So at the bottom, you can add a new sprite or choose an existing sprite. I mean, choose a sprite or you can create a new sprite. See, there is paint option, or you can choose a sprite which is there, or you can also upload a sprite. Okay, if you have an image, you can upload it as a sprite. Okay, let us delete this cat sprite now. If you click on this X, it'll get deleted, right? And we can add a new sprite. So is everyone able to follow this? You can all unmute yourself and you can tell me if you're not able to follow.
So I'm able to follow now.
Does it make sense?
Yeah,
Okay.
Miss, it makes sense. I already know. So.
Okay. So for this
Tell,
game, yes. So everyone clear till now? Chaitanya and Jignesh.
Ma'am, I'm not able to follow.
No, I understood, but I don't know where to see all that.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
understood, but I don't know where to.
Okay. So you understood, but yeah, I'll show it to you. Can you see my screen here? The
Yes.
Scratch screen editor.
I didn't
Okay.
get the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Well, I didn't get the screen.
You didn't get that screen? Okay. So did you click on join and then did you log in?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you start sharing your screen? I'll stop my share. You can start sharing your screen, Chaitanya.
So one last thing. Which sprite do we choose?
We will choose a chick. Okay. Chick and an egg also. Okay. Two sprites.
Tell host disabled participant. Tell host is not allowed.
Okay. I will
Ma'am,
just,
what
yeah,
is-
I've enabled it now. You can Start
Yeah,
sharing.
now madam has enabled it. Now do again.
So Jignesh, you are signed in already, right? Okay. Yeah. Chaitanya, okay. You just click on that create. At the top, you see the create in navigation, right? Yeah, click on that. Okay, so now you are in the Scratch editor.
Now you got it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so here go to file and create a new project. Okay, you can rename this project later. There is untitled, right? This is the new project, no issues. So you see untitled in the at the top, right? At the top you see untitled, right? No, close the file menu. Yeah, there you can give the name to your project. Call it jumping game.
Okay.
Jumping game.
Okay, so now I'll share my
Give the name.
Can I leave and join?
So I will call this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
once can I leave and join?
Who is this? Jignesh?
Vignesh, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, sure. So this is jumping game. So everybody, we're going to add a sprite now. I'm going to choose it. Okay. Choose the sprite. So it is a bird, right? So I click on animals. So I see the chick sprite here. See? So I'll select this. So it's added already.
Miss,
Yes?
I've added Giffen, ma'am. Is that fine?
That is
I've
also
added a
fine.
Giffen.
Yeah, that is fine. Hello?
Ma'am,
Yes?
once can I leave and join the class?
Yes, Jignesh. Sure, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
leave and join. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I added a Giffen.
Okay.
Giffen.
See, as I move this sprite on the stage, you can see the X and Y coordinates varying, right? See, as I keep my sprite here at the bottom left-hand corner, see the X is minus 214, Y is minus 149. So as I move up, the X and Y values are changing. Y is increasing, right? X is still negative, right? As I move my sprite to my right, see here in the center, X will be 0, okay? Right at the center of the screen, the X will be kind of 0, okay? See? Anywhere along this line, X will be 0. If I move my sprite, see X increases, okay? And we are going to use all these, while animating this chick now, okay? As I move my sprite up, see Y is increasing, correct? So I can use my motion blocks to show you. Yes?
Can you repeat? I just came, ma'am.
Okay. So Jignesh, we just added this sprite, chick sprite.
Okay.
Are you finished adding this already?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I will show you when I move this sprite on the stage. Just take a look how the X property here and Y X coordinates are changing here. The values of X and Y coordinates, these are called coordinates. Every point here is represented by X and Y.
Why?
Yeah, just like the address of your house. So every position has a X and Y coordinate. Okay?
Okay.
See? So as I move to my right, X becomes positive and it increases. As I move towards my left, X decreases, right? X decreases when I move towards my left. Okay? See, I'll show it to you here in motion. Okay? Move 10 steps. If I say move 10 steps, if I click on this block, go to motion, click on move 10 steps, see how it is moving and how the X value is changing continuously, right? If I say point in direction 90 degrees, okay, and See, and then you have change y by 10. Y changes by 10. See, y is increasing. See, y increases. It's taking 10 steps at a time and y is increasing here. See, okay. So we will start building this game now. When I don't need this, I can put that back. So this is called looks, okay. We can change the looks of the sprites because each sprite has a costume. See, the sprite has 3 costumes. We can change the costume whenever we want, okay. Every sprite that you add will have costumes, and you can add sounds. For example, this particular sprite has a chirp sound. See, so you can play the sound whenever it is flying. You can play the sound, right? So we will start coding now. What we are going to do is we are going to add 2 more sprites, okay. Egg, we will add an egg also. Go to sprites, choose an egg, search for egg here, EGG, okay. You add this, and for each sprite we are going to write different scripts. For the movement of each sprite, we are going to write different scripts. When I select this, I'm going to write script here that will be different, and I select this sprite, I'm going to write script here which is going to be different, okay, for the movement of each sprite. Everybody are able to follow? Everybody added the 2 sprites to the screen? Okay. So the game is like this, okay. This chick is going to jump up as this egg which is there, it is going to move to the left, and it's not supposed to hit the chick, otherwise it breaks. So when it comes really close, we have to make this chick jump up and come down to avoid crashing, okay. If it crashes, then the game is over, okay. And then we will add a backdrop also. Backdrop is the background, okay. There is something called backdrop, right? At the bottom you can see stage here. Chaitanya, are you able to follow? There is stage and backdrops, okay. There you choose a backdrop. I will select a simple blue sky, okay. Chaitanya, were you able to add the backdrop?
Yes, ma'am, I added.
Very good. So we have,
Yes, ma'am, but where it is?
at the bottom right hand corner, there is something called backdrop. Next to sprite, you can see backdrop. You click on backdrop, you can choose one.
Not costume.
Madam Prabhu, you can change the costume.
I don't.
So this is the backdrop. See, I click on this and I can choose.
Not understand what is meaning of costume.
How to change costume.
Costume is here at the top left hand. For each sprite, there will be different costumes. Whenever we want during coding, we can change it, okay. Now we don't need to worry about costumes. While coding, we are going to change the costume, okay. So for example, when the egg crashes, we will change the costume to this egg, okay, and it appears as though the egg crashed, okay. That is how we are going to change costumes. So we'll go to the code and we see the script area, and we will soon start coding. So how do we make the bird move up now? So as I showed you, when we change the y coordinate, so it can be found under motion blocks. It's blue in color, right? All the motion blocks, all the blocks associated with movement of sprites are blue in color, correct? So as you move down, you see change y by 10, correct? So I can add one more control to this, okay, one more event. So when I press some key, so this should happen, it should move up, correct? So when I when space key is pressed, I want this bird to move up. Okay. See? So when I press my space key, so I've selected a different sprite now. I should have selected the chick. Okay. So it should move up. The bird should move up. When I press the space key, the sprite should move up. So change Y by 10 steps, right? Where is it? Change Y by 10. It's here. Did you find it? Right? So when I'm pressing, both are moving up. Both the egg and the chick are moving up. So I will delete this. Don't want this. And I press the space key. So I need to be pressing this continuously. I don't want that to happen. When I press once, it should move really up and then come back down. Okay. So then I'm going to use a concept called repeat. Okay. When I press this key, keep on moving up. Okay. That's what I'm going to do now. Chaitanya, are you able to follow?
Ma'am, I am not able to follow the egg.
The egg. Okay. So did you add it?
Yes. You added the egg, no?
I did not write.
No, yes, ma'am. He has taken the character as egg, but
Okay.
he's not able to add the program.
No, the program I'll teach him. So he has added the sprite in. So you can see both chick and the egg in the stage, right? On the stage, you can see both the sprites, correct? Correct? So what I'm going to do is, I will repeat this many times. I want it to move really up, high up. So I'm going to repeat this. Okay. So I can find it under control blocks. I'm controlling the way this is moving. So that is called a control block, right? So that is brown in color like this, right? Dark orange or brown in color. So I will just drag a repeat block. So how many times it should go up? How many times it should go up? Okay. I will say maybe 20 times. Okay. 20 times you repeat this. So what happens is, when I press my key, see, it goes up 20 times. I can increase even more, right? So maybe I can do 30 times, 25 to 25 times. So when I click on this, it is moving higher up, right? Okay. So I'll make it 20, 20 into 15. Okay. So stop. So, and then we have to bring it back. So we have to code for that as well. And I will show you how to add sound to this. Okay. So here in sounds, there is a chirp sound, right? So we are going to add this to the code. There is a sound block, which is purple in color. So I'll just drag the start the sound. So it does that. Okay. It just makes that sound whenever I press the key, right? You understood till here, right? And then when so as you see, it's stuck here, higher up, but I want it to come down here. How do I do that? How do I do that?
I cannot understand.
Ma'am, drag it.
Change y by 15. What's the meaning of change y by 15?
It is moving up. It is, we are asking the chick to move up. when I say change y by 15, it will move 15 steps. I'll show you. See, when I click on this, it will move up for 15 steps. See, you click on that and it is moving up and up and up. See, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But the number here is not changing.
But
The y here is changing. See, it's become 105 now. See, it's going up, right? It's moving up. But when we start the game, it should be at the starting point here, right? So what is the x and y coordinate for the initial position? It is minus 203 and minus 1119 on my screen. Did you get it, everybody? So what I will do is, when I click this flag, I will set the position of this chick to this x and this y. Okay, so go to control, and when flag is clicked, what I'm going to do is, I will make this chick come here to the initial position. Okay, so where do we find the x and y? Where can we find the x and y blocks? Anybody?
Miss, the X and Y blocks, you can find it in motion.
Correct. You can find it in motion. So it's blue in color, correct? So it's blue in color. Go to X and go to Y. Chaitanya, did you find it? So when I click motion, I can see go to X, Y, right? I'll drag that and attach it to the socket here. And just put them together. Okay, this is the initial position, minus 203 and 119. So whenever, what happens is, now when space key is pressed, it will go up, right? It is not coming down yet. But when I click on flag, it will come down because I have asked it to come to this position when I click the flag. So how many of you were able to complete it till here? Students, finished? Good. You also, Arush, finished? And Chaitanya, can you switch on the camera?
Ma'am, completed.
Completed. Chaitanya, are you there?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you turn on the camera? Yeah, were you able to complete it till here?
Yes.
Okay. Fine.
Did you complete?
Yeah, I completed. Yeah, actually.
Okay, good.
Okay. So
Yeah, actually.
what is the next step?
Starting only, no?
So it went up, but it didn't come down. We have to make it come down, right?
Where?
So when I press the
Okay.
key, it will move really up, but it is not coming down, correct? So how will we make it come down?
It went up, it's not coming down. How will you make it come down?
So I will just make this minus 15. Okay. I'll change y by minus 15 and it will come down. I'll show you that now. So motion, change y by, if I make it negative, if I make the y value negative, it will come down. See, if I click on this, it is coming down. See, but I have to click like 15 times for this to come down. But I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is, I'll put it in a repeat block. So it will repeat 20 times. I need not click it 20 times to come down. So it will repeat 20 times. So where do I find the repeat block? I will go to control and find the repeat block. And I will just attach this inside this so that it repeats. I'll give the same numbers. Okay, it will repeat 20 times and it will be minus 15. So it will come down to the same position. Right, students? Did you understand? When I change y by 15, it will go up. When I change y by minus 15, it will come down, right? By 15 steps when I click every time. Right, now I'll click this. See, it went up and it came down. Goes up, comes down when space key is pressed. Right? Students, you're done. Did you make the chick go up and down? Now we want this egg to move to the left so that it comes near the chick. Okay, and if it crashes the chick, then it breaks. Okay, how do we do that? Now for that we have to select the egg here under sprites. Now you had selected chick and you wrote the code here in the script area. Okay, now you select the egg. Now we will code for the egg, movement of the egg. So what I'm planning is let the egg be invisible in the beginning. Okay, when you click on this flag, let it come here near the chick. When it comes really close, we are going to hit space and the chick will move up to avoid the egg. Okay, and we are going to score. Every time it comes here to the chick's position and it doesn't crash, then we are going to score. Okay. So how do we make this egg move to left? Right? The x coordinate decreases when it moves to.
Miss, I know how to move the egg.
Okay, so we can use other motion blocks like glide it. Glide, okay, glide the egg, right, to some position for, maybe to this position. What is this x and y? Wait, minus 200, okay. Y is, let's see. So when I click on this, see, it is gliding. See? So it's already glided and it has not come back. So we have to make it come back also. After it comes here, it should move back to the original position here. What is this position? This is minus 146, right? Go to x minus 146. See, it's coming back now. Students, are you able to do this? Are you able to glide the egg here for 1 second? In 1 second, it is going to move to this position. We can make it even more slower. We can make this happen slowly. I can increase the number of seconds. You're not able to do it? Is this Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am, I'm not able to do.
So you have the egg, right? You have selected the egg, correct?
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute. Let me see.
So others, did you complete till this step?
Yes, ma'am, I found it.
Okay. So Chaitanya, have you selected the egg here in sprites?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after selecting, you go to motion, at motion blocks. At the left hand side, you have the code area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wherein you find the motion blocks associated with the movement. If you want to make the egg move, go to motion blocks. And then how do you want your egg to move? You want it to glide, right? So you have a glide block here. Glide for a specific number of seconds to a specific point, x and y. Okay.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
drag that. Okay.
Drag that, Nana.
Did you drag it?
Yes,
Where you did?
we already made.
You did. Okay. Tell madam you did.
Yes, ma'am, I did it.
Very good. Now I want this egg to glide to this point. Okay. What is this point? What is x and y at this point? What is x and y at this point? It is around minus 180. Y is minus 150, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You enter that number here in x and y. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
do you need a variable in this?
Yeah. So we'll have to display a score, right, Ishwar?
Yeah.
So we would need a variable. You can go ahead and add a variable for score.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah. So Ishan, were you able to complete it till here? Ishan, are you there?
Yes,
Are you able to make this egg glide like this? Glide
ma'am, I'm
smoothly?
able to make it glide, but you told to put 200,
That is
186 and that one too. Which one, ma'am? The first one or the one you put after it, like below the
no,
first?
don't worry about this one. The first one, you can take it or you can change it according to your program. Okay. You
Okay,
put
ma'am.
it near the chick so that it touches the chick, right? When it touches the chick, it should break, right? So put it at a point where it touches the chick. Okay. When it touches, then it should break. So get the x and y coordinate for egg when it touches here.
173, 148.
In my screen, it is minus 173 and something. Yeah. What was it? Minus 173.
My
Yeah.
minus 173 and minus 140.
So Chaitanya completed this.
No, wait. Why should don't put that? First, you make sure it goes here. Then you see ours.
No,
How
wait,
much is yours? Which you see. Now I put mine near the chip. No, if it comes till here, then now mine is 160 and 134. So if you keep yours there, how much is yours? That much. No, you keep that much.
So when flag is clicked, I want this to happen. Okay. I want this to happen when the flag is clicked. When flag is clicked is called an event. Okay. Or when you press a button or when you click using your mouse, those things are called events. So you go to events and I'll drag this event block. When flag is clicked, now the egg is going to move, no, to left, and I can increase the speed also. I can increase the speed. If I decrease the time, then it will go even faster.
When you click it,
Now if I hit the space, see, like this, see. Oh,
when it reaches here, it should break. Look.
okay.
Miss,
Yes.
For me, it's staying there.
I completed the things and also for the egg because you
For
want
me,
to
it's going back.
make it glide. I put what you did and
Uh-huh.
I also put a forever block.
Okay.
So it makes the egg go forever and you don't need to keep on clicking on the flag again and again.
Yeah, it goes forever. Yeah, good. So others, I need to teach them the forever block. So go ahead. So your game is complete already? Very good, Ishwa.
No, I need to put the score
Score.
variable.
Okay, fine. Okay. So Chaitanya, are you done till here?
Flag. But no.
And Jignesh?
Why is it
Done.
going back? But
Very good.
mom's is staying there only.
Ma'am, I'm not able to do.
Chaitanya, you're not able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom's is staying there only. Mine.
Not when I'm bringing, when I click on the glide means it's coming and going back automatically.
Minus 200, minus
Yeah,
100.
it will go back automatically, right? That's what we have coded it for. When we click, it should glide and then it should go back, right?
200.
It should go back. That's
Yes, ma'am.
what we have coded it for. So it's working properly for you also, right?
Yes.
Very
Now
good.
it's working.
So, but when it touches this, I want the,
Wait. I think I got it. I got it.
yes,
Take that.
yes,
Miss, can you show the code for the chick again? I want to cross check once.
sure.
Okay, fine. Wait.
2.
Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Can you show for the chick, ma'am?
For the chick, okay.
Right. Trend.
For the chick, it is this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What is it? That thing is going back now. Wait, I lost my break.
Okay.
Yeah, go unmute.
Done.
Ma'am, the egg, it's coming here near the chick and it's going back to its previous position.
Yeah, it is supposed to happen, right? See, even in my screen, it's the same thing that is happening.
Okay, ma'am.
See, we have
Miss,
coded.
something happened. I just need some help.
Yeah.
Fine. Atlane.
Who's this?
Miss, this is Ishwar.
Yes, Ishwar, tell me. Yeah, tell me what happened.
So this is the one. And I go to variable. I just made this chick score variable, but there's no list like change this variable.
I'm not able to see you. Your screen, you must start sharing, right? Maybe.
Yeah, I started screen sharing.
Is it? I can't see your screen. Wait. I will just.
Ma'am, what is the? Why did you write glide at it down?
Glide where? This one I wanted to show you. I will remove this. This is no longer needed. That was to show you how the glide works. That's it.
Miss, so this is happening.
So I want to check your screen. Wait, I am not able to see your screen yet. Ishwar. Give me a moment. Where do I find it? Because I'm sharing my screen, right?
Yeah,
To see your screen. Give me a
fine. Then I'll stop sharing and then I'll share it again.
Yeah. No, wait. I will just check if I can see your screen. Yeah. No, I will stop sharing and you can start sharing.
Okay, I'll start sharing.
Ma'am, once can you show me this chick, how many blocks? Chick blocks.
That depends, right? Where you place your chick. If you place it really, okay. See, now we are viewing Ishwar's screen, correct? So his X and Y differs from my X and Y. It depends on where you have placed your chick on the.
Ma'am, did you do chick score?
Yes, Ishwar, what is the issue?
Miss, so my doubt is that you see this, right? I go to egg and I go to variables, but just like the chick, I don't have any variable blocks like set score, change score, show variable, hide variable. It's not there for egg.
Do it for chick then. Don't do it for egg. Okay.
Fine.
So when chick touches the egg, then it's going to happen. Then the chick changes the costume.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Ma'am, when I press this space button, and the check is going under the ground.
Under the?
Ma'am,
It is jumping and going under.
That is because you have not set the Y position properly. The initial Y for chick
Miss,
is this, right? It will show here. Under
Miss, do we
stage,
have
you can
to-
see the X and Y position of the chick, right? The initial position, wherever you place the chick, see, the X and Y varies as I move this chick around the stage. So if I place it at the bottom left-hand corner, I will just check the X and Y position there, and I just put it here. Okay, when flag is clicked, I will
Miss, I have
ask.
a question, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead, Jignesh. Arush or
Miss,
Jignesh?
this is Arish, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me. Yeah,
Miss, this is Arish.
yes, Arush,
Miss,
tell
for
me.
chicken, we have to make it like set X to 15 and Y to minus 15. No, we should make it set or change.
change. It's not set because it keeps changing, right? It's moving.
Yes, ma'am.
Setting is just at one position. Changing is it keeps changing, moves to a new position every time you click on that. So I've made -15 so that it comes down. +15 makes it move up. Okay. So are you, Chaitanya, did you finish till here? You said you're done, right? So what's the next step?
Unflagged quick.
So I don't want to click this as Ishan pointed out. I don't want to keep on clicking this continuously. So for this egg to move, I will make it, move automatically on its own forever. So there's something called forever block here in control. Or
Ma'am, I can't see anything on the screen of yours.
I will share my screen. Can you see my screen now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I want this. See, when I click on this, so every time I click, it is going near the chick and coming back. But I don't want to click this a many number of times. I want this to happen automatically. Okay. So I will make this happen forever. I will go to control blocks and drag a forever block here. Okay. This happens forever. Then I will put these two blocks inside the forever block. Okay. And now when I'll just attach it to flag clicked. Now I click on the flag and it keeps moving forever like this. See? Can you observe? Everybody can see my screen, right? Did you put the forever block? Did you attach the forever block to the flag clicked event? Chaitanya, did you attach the forever block?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But I want to add one more thing. So as you can see, so initially I don't want this chick to be, I don't want this egg to be visible. I want to hide it at the beginning. Okay. And then after a second, I want this egg to come to the picture, come to the scene. So there is a hide block. Where do we find hide block? Hide and show block. It is about looks, right? Hiding and showing is all about looks, right? So you can find it under looks. So if you go down, there is a hide block and there is a show block. If I click on hide, it's hidden. If I click on show, see, it's visible, it appears. If I click on hide, it disappears. If I click on show, it appears. But I don't want this to hide forever or show forever. Okay. So I'll hide it for just 1 second and show it after that. Okay. When I click the flag, I will wait for 1 second and I will show it. Okay. It will be hidden for 1 second and then it will become visible. Fine. So that's what I'm going to do now. Where do we find the wait for 1 second block? We are controlling, right? So it's found under control. So waiting is found under control.
Miss,
So
I
click on
have a
control.
question and a doubt.
Yeah.
So for the variable, for the score to like
Yeah.
less, like I already have the one to decrease it if it is touching the egg, but for scoring the points, I don't know what to do because I just put a forever and if then block because the score has to go forever. And if I don't know where it says not touching egg, change score by 1.
Okay. So we'll come to that, Ishwar. Okay. We will come to that. We will add score to this game, right? So we will come to that. So I will wait for 1 second. Okay. And I will hide it. Okay. I will hide it, wait for 1 second and show it. Okay, when flag is clicked, it is hidden, and then after 1 second, it will show. Okay. If I okay, so what else are we supposed to add now? We want this egg to crack, right? Whenever it hits the chick, it should crack. We have two costumes for this egg, right? Here at the top left hand, you see code, costumes, and sounds.
Miss,
Okay. For the egg,
ma'am,
you can add, yeah. Yes, yes. So there
Miss, I did the code, ma'am.
you
Miss,
did
I did it.
you did it. Very good, very good. So who's this?
Miss, this is Arush.
Arush, you did the code. Very good. Till where?
Yes, ma'am.
Till where you're done?
Miss, I have mostly finished everything, ma'am. Only like the sound for the egg is left.
Sound for the egg. Why don't you add it? It should be under sounds, right? It's a pop sound, right? Play this sound. That's
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Miss, I'm searching for the sound, ma'am, like in crack kind of.
Okay. So don't you like this sound? This one. So okay, you can add whatever sound you like.
It's not a lot, ma'am.
Okay. So then, so we have to make this egg crack. How do we do that? How do we do that? We are going to switch costume. Okay. There's something called switch costume. Under looks, you can see the switch costume block. So when flag is clicked, what we are going to do is, when flag is clicked, there is switch costume, change switch costume to, right? So, or I can take some other event, not flag is clicked, control. And when some other key is clicked, when up arrow is clicked, or left arrow is clicked, switch costume of this egg to something else. Okay, there are 4 costumes. You can check it out. If you click on costumes, there is egg A, egg B, egg C, and egg D. So there are around 6 costumes. I will change it to egg B, from egg A to egg B. Okay, so now if I click on left arrow, see, the costume changed, right? So so that is how you're going to change the costume. But we have to add a condition. If it touches the chick, then you're going to change the costume, right? So for that, I'll tell you what to do now. So,
Ma'am, I don't know where is switch costume to egg.
you don't know where it is. You click on looks. You're changing looks, right? So you click on looks. It is under motion blocks. You click on looks and then scroll down. There is switch costume to block. You drag it.
Scroll down and already hit to. Ma'am, switch background is coming. Switch to costume.
Switch to costume is there.
Egg.
If you click on looks, it is purple in color. So it is the 5th block under looks. Switch costume to is there. So everybody
Yes, ma'am.
are able to find the switch costume block? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when does this costume have to switch? Only when it touches the chick, right? So here we have a condition here. If it touches the chick, then it should change the costume, right? So where do we find the if condition block? If, then, see? If, then, right? If it touches the chick, right, then you're going to do this, correct? Touching is the sensing block, sensor block. Okay, so touching something, right, is a sensor block. You have sensor blocks in blue color, right? You have sensor blocks which are sensing blocks, which are blue in color. Click on the sensing block, okay, and then drag it. Put it inside this. If it touches the chick, I will just click on this drop down and I will select the chick here. If it touches the chick, then switch the costume to B. Now let us see what happens. Initially the costume should be egg A, right? So initially the costume should be egg A, okay?
And what is happening, ma'am?
Where?
In switch.
A switch, we are switching the costume. We are changing the costume, that's it. You have 4 costumes here, right? We are changing the costume from A to B, that's it. Initially, I want the costume to be A. So when I click the flag, the costume will be A. If it touches the chick, then the costume changes to B. So now let us see what happens if I click on the flag. See, the egg comes and it's not changing costume. Is it not? Is egg B the costume? If it touches the chick, then it should change the costume. Okay, so we are still, yeah, give me a moment, I'll check where we went wrong. So it should happen forever. We couldn't even notice when
Miss,
the
can you
costume
please
changed.
go back to the code of the egg?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Miss, for the code of the egg, ma'am, you
Yeah.
can be like switch to costume egg B, ma'am, and touching the chick, switch costume to egg B.
Yeah, that is correct. So this should happen, right? Forever. I will add a forever also here.
Yes, you should put it together, ma'am. Ma'am, you should put that code together, not like different, ma'am. You can put that code together, ma'am. Like I've run like forever glide 3
Yeah.
seconds to x minus 200, and then it's like wait for 1 second.
Yeah.
If
Here.
touching egg, switch costume to egg B, play sound bong until done, and then wait for 1 second, go to the original position, switch,
Yeah.
then wait for 1 second and switch costume to egg A.
Yeah. So I'm just showing it individually because, you know, some students might not understand if I put it together. So I'm just putting it like this. Okay. See?
Yes.
I just wanted others to notice what happens if it touches the chick, then the costume, we're going to switch the costume to B, which is the broken egg costume. Okay, but I want the costume to be egg A initially, right? Initially it should be egg A, but it should switch to B only when it touches, right? But when it touches, I want the game to stop. I want the game to stop when it touches the chick. When it touches the chick, I want the game to stop. So
Miss,
I'm going
then
to
you go all the way down to control and you press on stop all.
Very good. So it's under control blocks. Everybody click on control blocks and scroll down. You have this stop all. Then stop all. Then what happens is when I click the What is happening? Okay, it just stopped everything. Okay, he just, because we need to.
Ma'am, it'll just stop all, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think like after forever, ma'am.
Yeah.
Like I think.
Stop. I will just stop this script. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. First stop the script and then he'll stop the action done by the egg, ma'am.
It's not happening. It stops. It will not
Miss,
change
it's
the
doing this
costume
one.
if I.
Miss,
If
first one, ma'am. Miss, it's doing the first one. Like at the side
yeah,
of this,
here.
you have put the like the flag one. It's doing that one, ma'am.
No, we will add this later.
You,
Okay. Otherwise, it will malfunction. It will make the script to stop. If I click on this, it will stop. That's it. Okay. I will stop everything when I click on this. See, I can show it separately. If I put it inside, it will not function properly. If I click on this, it will stop. And when I click on this, it will start working again. See, it'll crack. Should, yeah. Fine. So we are done till here. So we have to add a variable for score, and we have a very few things left to finish this game. So let's go ahead. Everybody done till here?
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am. Miss, I done the full thing, ma'am.
ma'am,
You've done the full thing. Okay, great. Yes, Ishan, tell me.
ma'am, when I click on stop all,
Yeah.
just stop and the egg is not coming into the shape, oval shape.
Yeah. For that we have to add few more things. Then it will work properly. Okay. So we will add score here. We will add score. How do we add score?
You go down to variable and press add a variable.
Yeah, we add a variable. So initially we will set the variable to 0, and we will increase the score every time the bird jumps up and down. Okay. If it if it crashes, then we will end the game. Okay, we will stop everything. We will stop all scripts and end the game when it crashes, when the egg crashes. Otherwise, the chick jumps up and down, and we will keep scoring. Okay, so we will go to variables, as Ishan said here. Variables, set variable to 0 initially. Where? It should be in the chick screen. Okay, here I will set my variable to 0 initially. Set my score. I can name my variable. I will click on this. I will rename the variable as score. Okay, initially the score is 0. So the variable should show here, right, on the stage. How do we do that? How does the variable show on the stage?
Miss, I know on the
Yeah.
score, there's a little, square, white square, and you need to click on that.
Is it?
You need to, on the variable section right here, on the left-hand side, you need to press on.
See this. We need to check this box, then the variable appears here on the stage. See? So everybody added a variable, right? So I will change this score by 1 every time it jumps up and down. So what happens now when I press space key? The score increases. 1, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps, 5 jumps, 6, 7. Okay. When I click the flag again, the score resets to 0. Right? Ishan and Chaitanya done? Did you add the variable? My bird is jumping up and down. I'm pressing space and I'm scoring. but I have not added the stop block here, right? Stop the script when the egg hits the chick. That I have to add.
You have the video on?
Right?
I smell Maggie making.
Whatever.
Miss, and also you need to put if touching egg change score set score to 0.
Yeah. We can do that. Yeah. So what more should we add here for the egg? It is gliding, and then it is switching costume from A to B, right? And we have to set the score to 0 when a flag is clicked, and even after the, after we stop the script, we have to, but when it touches, it is happening here, right? Is this variable available here for the other sprite? Yes. To 0 here and stop all, right?
Ma'am, how to make
But we
when I
don't want to do
move,
because we have
how
to
to make it 0?
how to make it 0. You just have to click on the variables here. On the left hand side you have variables blocks, right? It is brown in orange in color, orange variable block, right? Are you talking about creating the variable, setting score to 0 here in chick, for the chick?
Ma'am, I did that, ma'am.
You did
When
this?
I finish the game,
Okay.
and if I want to make the score as 0,
But when we finish the game, we don't want to see the score as 0 because we have scored something, right? We want that final score to be visible. We need not add this. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when we start the game, the score will be 0. When we end the game, we see the final score. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, shall we start playing the game? Is it working for all of you? When you press the flag, is the egg moving and are you able to avoid the crashing? I can go here to file. I can save this project like this. Save your project. And when you click on the flag, it is not showing at all, right? The egg is not showing at all. So what is the reason? I just remove this hide block. It cracked. But why is the stop not working? Is it stopping for you all? Hello, students?
Miss, yeah, I can hear you.
So are you able to stop the game while, when it crashes?
Yes, ma'am, I'm able to.
No.
No?
No, ma'am, the game is not getting stopped.
It's not getting stopped. If you add the stop, then it will get stopped.
Okay, ma'am.
See?
Miss, where did you put change score by 1?
It's in the, if you select the check, okay? Select
Okay.
the check. So the check moves up and down, right?
Yeah, miss.
Yeah.
Okay. Miss, please just stay in the chick code because I just need to see.
Yeah, this is the check code. So initially when I press the space key, right? So the bird moves up along with the sound. We'll start the sound. It, moves in steps of 15 for 20 times. So it moves up 20 times in steps of 15. Then it moves down 20 times in steps of 15. So every time it moves up and down, I'm increasing the score by 1. Okay. So initially when I start the game, I want the chick to be here in the initial position. That is X and Y values I have put here. And I am setting the score to 0 at the beginning of the game. Right? And after that, for the egg,
Yes, ma'am.
the egg costume must be different, right? Initially. I'll add more sprites here.
Miss, can you please go back to the chick one last time?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Chaitanya, did you complete the game? So now we will take a look at all your games now. Each one of you will share your screen and we'll see how whether your game is working or not.
Madam is what is
So Ishwar, is it done?
Share my screen now.
Who's this?
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya? Okay, you can start sharing your screen. I'll stop mine.
Start
I'm
share your
sharing.
screen.
Yeah. You can.
No, I'm sharing now.
Hmm?
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah, I can see that. So egg A, when
it's
flag is,
not working.
it's not
When
working.
when I remove the select,
See,
stop
put the
all.
stop all inside the if condition, not outside.
Miss,
Put it inside the if
for me
condition.
everything is working, ma'am. For me
Is it?
everything is working.
Very good. So Arush, will take a look at your game after this. The stop all should come inside the if condition. After you switch costume to egg B, you have to put this inside.
But
Understood,
ma'am, if I
Chaitanya?
want to make the score into 0,
Yeah, that will happen when you start the game, right?
When you start the game, it will happen automatically. You have to put it here. Start the game.
Not there. It should be inside the if. That's it.
Inside the if. What is inside the if?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's not
miss,
working.
I'm using 2 devices, ma'am. Actually, I'm using my laptop like for
Okay.
the scratch and then I'm using my phone for the class, ma'am.
Okay, you should reset the score. You have not done that. Go to check. Yes, Arush, I'll come back. So yeah, now we should stop, right? The game should
It
stop.
stopped.
But score
Yeah.
hadn't become 0.
Okay.
But ma'am, the score hasn't become 0.
You want it to become 0, then go to the variable and set my variable to 0. That's it. Set the score to 0.
From the
Okay.
beginning, when the
There
game
is
starts, it is 0.
set variable, right? At the left, you are in the variables section.
And
Drag
set
the set
variable to
block.
0.
Set variable to 0 block is there, right? Drag it. In variables on your left hand side, there's an orange block.
No, variable.
Okay.
No, this one, move this. Move this.
You have the setter block, right? On the left hand side.
Let it do that. Now
Set
variable.
set this variable to 0.
Ma'am, variable.
Yeah, set. At the top you have set, right? Yeah, that one. Drag it, put it inside the if condition, inside the, yeah, before the stop. Before the stop you put it inside. Yeah, before
correct.
stop. Yeah. So, change my variable to score. Change the name my variable to score. Click on the drop down arrow, change that my variable to score. Yeah, now it will become 0. You click the flag which is there at the top of the stage. Okay.
Miss, I've shared my game, ma'am. Miss, I've shared my game.
But the egg is not moving, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, why egg is not
Egg was moving, right?
Miss, you can see my game, ma'am.
Wait, I'll switch
Miss,
to
my
your
game
screen.
name is like Egg Saver.
Very good. I'll just take a look. So Arush, right?
check करो क्या mistake है?
Arush, I'll take a look. Where do I switch screens? I can't see your presentation. Wait, I should. So
Ma'am,
he
I
should
changed the
stop
name to
sharing.
Egg Saver, ma'am.
Okay. So each one of you. So Chaitanya, your
Miss,
game
I
is
can't
working
share, ma'am. I
fine.
can show the
So who
video.
goes? Yeah. Arush, you can share next.
Ma'am, his egg is not moving now suddenly.
Yeah, it stopped, ma'am, because it crashed, right?
No,
If it
again
crashed,
if you say,
now it is moving.
huh?
Here, he has to change the. Oh, okay. Oh, it stopped. So, what is wrong? Actually, it seems fine. Let me take a look. Yeah. Let me take a look. I'll share my screen so you will understand in a moment. So I'll start sharing. So you can stop sharing. I'll start sharing. Then you will understand. Okay, then it'll be easier for you to understand if I start sharing.
Ma'am, I'm done with mine. Should I show it to you?
Yeah, you can show it. Give me just one moment. So yours is working, Ishan, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it works, right? Every time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine.
Miss, can you keep it just like this? Because I need to see this last code when flag clicks set side to 100%.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So should I show it?
Yeah. Give me just one moment. So once Ishan
Yeah.
is done, you can start sharing. So let me know, Ishan, once you're done. Ishan will share his screen. Let us take a look at his screen.
Miss, you've finished.
Yeah,
Ma'am, you
Arush?
can actually. Miss, you can actually search my game as Egg Saver, ma'am. It'll be like Egg Saver by Air 3.
Oh, cool. But I want to see it here. Okay. So
Ma'am,
if everybody
I'm done.
sees
Show you
it.
the video.
Should I
ma'am.
share it?
Miss, I can show you.
Yeah. So now Ishan goes first, then you, Arush, then you're going to share. So Ishwar, is it done?
Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Miss,
Okay. So I'll stop sharing. Now Ishan, you can start sharing your screen now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes?
my egg is not moving, ma'am.
You said it's working fine, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll just stop everything.
How do you check? What is the problem? Check it yourself.
Chaitanya, I will get back to you. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
yeah.
Okay, miss.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
So when I click it,
So is it crashing? Okay. When it crashes,
Yes,
also
ma'am.
it's moving, but you're not able to stop it, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So when it crashes, it's going to still come.
Okay. So what we are going to do is we will have the initial costume as the cracked egg. Okay.
Okay,
Like
ma'am.
this. Okay, we will have the initial costume as the cracked egg. Okay, then we will change it to the full uncracked egg in the beginning and change it to this back again later.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so when flag is clicked, you're going to change the costume and change the costume back again. So understood?
Okay. Wait, so I have to take this, and after this it should change to that. So should I put this egg?
Yeah, then yeah, this is the egg. Initially it'll switch costume to A and then to B and then stop all. Put the stop all there inside
Okay, ma'am.
the if condition.
Okay, ma'am.
Chaitanya, you should also not in the forever block. Yeah. So Chaitanya, you should also do the same thing.
Ma'am, so I should keep it in
Yes,
the
ma'am,
if
it is
touching
fine.
chip then.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I will stop.
Now you click on the flag which is at the top of the stage. Okay.
Ma'am.
So now the other Arush, you can start sharing. Arush, are you there?
Yes,
Yeah, you can start
yes,
sharing.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I can show the video, ma'am. I'm not able to share. I can show the video.
Okay,
Oh,
so
that is
going to
fine.
stop. Yay.
That is fine. If you're not able to share, that is fine.
Ma'am,
So
I'm
Ishan,
showing
that is fine. I will search your game. Okay.
ma'am, this one, ma'am.
Yeah.
Right, this one, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Okay. How will you be able to take video as well as play the game?
Yes, I'm using my phone, ma'am.
Yeah, but how will you play the game? You need to press this. Okay, you can press space, right? Yeah.
Ma'am, ma'am, so if it touches like this, it'll be like,
Okay, nice.
and the chicken won't get any score, ma'am. If it goes up of the egg, and then it'll get score. But if it touches, it'll
Yeah.
get 0 scores.
Yes.
See like
Yes.
that.
See? Nice. Very nice, Arush. Okay.
And so like when the egg comes, that time you jump and
Okay.
like that.
Nice. So, are you
Like
stopping
that,
the
ma'am.
game at all? No, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So, very good, Arush. So, Ishwar, you can share your screen now.
Okay, miss. Okay, I'll just move the egg here. Okay. And then each time I press the space bar, it's going up there.
Okay.
Miss the egg, and whenever I touch the egg, everything stops.
Yeah, very good. So keep your screen still. Chaitanya, which part of your code is not working? Chaitanya, are you there?
Ma'am, when it's not coming back 0, ma'am.
Only about 0. So nothing else, right? It's only about the score. You're talking about score. That's it, right? Is the game working fine?
Is the game working fine?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
So what else can you add to this game? How do you improve this game, students? So Arush added sound for the egg also. And what else can you do? How can you make a level 2 in this game?
Miss, what you can do is that you can also put an obstacle like a triangle, like a red triangle, or like an X sign where if you touch it also the game stops, and if you touch the egg also it stops. So that will make it more challenging. Or
You can add more eggs.
also you can put
add more
a coin, upload a coin and put it with the cross and the egg,
Mhm.
And if you touch the coin, you get a point. But if you touch the egg, your coin score goes to 0. And if you touch the X, everything will stop.
Very good. Can you try that after this class? Yeah, as an assignment, can you try that?
Yeah, Miss, I'll try the two stuff.
Okay, okay, good. So how about others? So we have completed building this game. So Chaitanya, you said it's working fine, right? Apart from the score?
It's not working.
Ma'am, it's working, only the score part is not working.
Yeah, the score part is not working. That's it, right? So you
Yeah.
just have to set the score to 0 inside the if condition. Before stopping, you can set the score to 0.
No, ma'am, I've
That's
done
it.
that. Actually,
Yeah.
what? Ma'am, if you put the score to 0 also, what is happening is, as soon as the game gets over, the score shows as 0.
Yeah.
Actually, the score should stop with how much he has got. And when he restarts the game, the score should become 0. Only that part is not happening.
Oh, when he restarts the game, it should become 0. That you have to add in the chick sprite. You can share the screen. I'll tell you how to do that. You can share your screen. Yeah. So here you have set the score, right? Click on chick. Click on the chick sprite. Chick sprite.
Click on the chick, yeah.
At the bottom, there you have to initially when the flag is, you should not increase the score here. You should not change the score here. You have to set it to 0 here. Set score to 0. Remove this block. This is wrong. Remove this block. Remove the entire block. Change score block. You remove it.
Remove this whole thing.
The change score entire block, you remove it. Okay. And add another block. Set my variable to 0 is there, right? The first block, set variable to 0. Yeah, put it there. So select score variable there. Yeah. Now it will work. Okay.
Write the name of the chapter. How will I do that?
Ma'am, see, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Ma'am, again score went up to 0.
That is, you have to change it there in the chick thing. You have to change it. It's already changed.
Not
You
a
should have changed.
You can remove it. You can
Should
remove the
remove
set score there.
Should
Put
remove.
the stop block inside. Yeah.
Have you done it?
Now it will work. Fine.
So this is how you start the game?
Yeah, I don't think so. You can save it first. Save the game and we can restart it again. Yeah. Oh.
Ma'am, in the
Yeah.
egg code,
Yeah.
over there, the stop all one is there, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
So every time when the thing is over, should, because it's not working, we have to keep it down, and then when it hits the egg to the chick, then when it breaks, every time we should take the stop all out, and then we have to again keep it.
Oh, is that what is happening with you all?
Yes, ma'am. I'll just share my screen and show.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, okay. So first, when I'm over here, I'll take this stop all out, and when I click it, then I have to again keep it, and then only it's going to work. And then when it breaks, yes, ma'am. Again we have to take out the stop all, click it, and then we have to even change the X position back there. So it's happening like that.
Okay, you can set the X position whenever you click the flag. You are asking you are not setting this egg, the initial position of this egg. That is the reason why it's happening. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So you have to set when you click the flag, you set the initial position, and then you are going to the chick here.
Okay,
You're
ma'am.
gliding and going to this point.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, so this is the initial position actually. 219 minus 145. It should happen continuously. So yeah, it
Ma'am,
will
but
stop there also.
okay, ma'am. So
So you can put this go to
I
X
don't
219.
understand what is the meaning of initial position.
No, no, no. Ma'am,
The
even
first
he,
position. Initial means the first position.
yes, ma'am, even he is facing the problem where he has to drag the egg.
Okay, okay.
How can he change?
You can change it. You can copy this block. You can use
sorry, after
right click. Is there a copy? No, put it in the flag click, not here. Okay. Before stopping itself, you have to do that. Yeah. Yeah, that is fine.
before stop all we have to keep.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the go to X 219 and Y minus 146. Should we
The same.
keep
Yeah,
it
put it.
like above the stop all or after stop under stop all?
You put it there when flag is clicked, right? There you have to put it.
This one. Okay, ma'am. I'll try once.
Yeah.
Here.
Ma'am, still is start facing.
Ma'am,
the
it's
problem,
still
ma'am.
stopping there.
It's still stopping there.
Ma'am. Like where the chick is stopping there.
Yeah, it will stop there. But when you click on the flag, it will go back, right? Click on the flag now.
Ma'am.
Save the project. Yeah, it went back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, wait, I'll go. And then it's coming. And then it's staying there only, ma'am.
It will stay there itself because you stopped everything, right? So when you click on the flag, a new game will start. You need not
Okay,
drag
ma'am.
it. When you start
Oh,
a new
so
game,
it's
it
like-
will automatically, it should come from the beginning.
Okay, ma'am, but wait, ma'am, I'll try this one.
Ma'am, when I am
Staying there only.
when I lose the game, ma'am,
Okay.
the egg is still there. So if
Oh,
I
so
want
it's like
the egg to go
going
out,
to stop there only.
Yeah, it will be there. According to the code, it will be there. No worries. Okay.
Ma'am, the egg
ma'am.
it is stopping where the chick is going to land. So it's going to break and it's not going back to its position.
If you want it to go back to its position, you have to add that block. So the go to X is there, right? You have to put that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, put that before the stop all block, then it will go back. Before the stop all,
So I have to keep it
there.
here.
Yeah, then it will
Okay.
go back.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try it once.
Yeah. So students, how was the class? So did you enjoy?
It's very fun, miss.
Yeah, you enjoy building games, right? So we are starting a batch actually, a weekend batch, Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be of 16 hours duration.
Oh, when it lands,
So
it's
if it's
going
16
to
hours duration, it's going to be 8 classes, right? So it's a 1 month
Yes,
course.
Or wait,
Okay, you're going to be building many games. Okay. We'll continue building games during the class. Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Miss, how much time are those classes going to be?
2 hours duration. Every class will be 2 hours.
And from what time does it start?
weekends.
We will let you know the timings later. Okay.
Ma'am, is it going to be every Sunday or Saturday and Sunday?
So it's going to be Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. So Saturday and Sunday, probably the slot would be 2 to 4 in the afternoon. Okay. Does that, okay. Is that okay with you all? Do you have any other classes during that time? No?
Sister, what
Okay.
time? Can you tell the time again?
Miss, can we do
2
it
to
in the
4.
morning?
In the morning, okay, let us see. Do you have any other classes, Ishan? Ishan, during that time, in the afternoon?
Ma'am,
2
is
to
the class
4?
coming again?
I don't have.
You don't have any classes. Okay. How about others, Chaitanya and Arush? Do you have any other
Miss,
classes
I'm
during
free 2 to 4, ma'am.
2 to 4? And
No,
Chaitanya,
ma'am. Sunday and Saturday I have no classes.
And what, ma'am?
do you have any classes on Saturdays and Sundays? 2 to 4?
No, ma'am, I don't have any class.
Don't have any classes? Okay. Ishan, you have any classes?
And so I have to attend the class. I have to attend this class on Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. After we start, if you're joining this course, then you will attend classes on Saturday and Sunday. Let us know. Okay.
I have to join this course, ma'am.
If you like it, you can join. Okay. If you like it, if you want to develop games, if you like it, then you can join. Okay. Did you like today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. So it was nice having you all today developing this game. Okay, we will send you the course outline also. Okay. So if you're all interested, then we will send the course outline.
But
Then
I
you
have
can.
one thing, that how to save whatever I have done.
So if you go to file, you can save it. If you go to file, at the top left hand corner, you have the file option. There you have the save option. Save, right? You can save your.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Just got damaged. 1 minute, ma'am.
So we will send the outline and video. Okay. Yeah. Happy coding. Try
Yes,
more
ma'am.
games. Try improving this game. Okay. Today and tomorrow, if you get
Yes,
time,
Miss,
try improving
Miss,
it.
I made sure. Miss,
Yeah.
for me,
Ma'am,
Miss,
Yeah.
for me,
ma'am,
many games.
ma'am, in the save, which one should we put? Save now, save as copy, or save to your computer?
Save. You can do either save to your computer or save now. If you do save now, it will be saved online. If you do save to your computer, it will be saved as a Scratch project on your computer, which you can open whenever you want. If there is no internet, you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
open it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, students. Bye bye. It was nice having you all today.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Next.
Thank you, Miss. It was very fun.
Thank you. Thanks, Ishwar. That means a lot. Yeah.
And it was really fun.
Thank you. Nice. Good to hear that from you.
Do we leave now, Miss?
Yeah, yeah. Leave now. You can leave now. I'll end the meeting. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.